Good morning, friends. Today is Wednesday, June 2nd, 2021. My name is Miss Mann. I teach first grade at our school, the Heights Community School, this year. Today for lunch, our in-person learners will have a choice between chicken fingers or a soy butter sandwich. If you're learning at home, make sure you remember to take a break away from your iPad where you have a good lunch and a big glass of water. This year, a lot of people at our school have been working hard to get the garden ready outside so we can plant some flowers and some vegetables. An important part of this garden is we need to have a welcome sign that says, "Welcome to the Heights Community Garden," so everybody knows where they are. We're having a contest. If you would like to try to design a cool community garden sign for us, all you need is a computer piece of paper, a regular blank sheet of paper like this. Make sure you put your design so it goes across this way, and then give it to your teacher by this Friday. June 4th is the deadline, and we want to see lots and lots of different options and see all your great creativity, so we have a really cool sign out in our garden. This year we've been practicing a lot of different tools to help us calm down or help us get back into the green zone if we're feeling frustrated or angry or a little too excited. One that I really like that you can do anytime is the 5-finger breathing, where you breathe in and then out. I like that it gives me something to focus on and look at while I'm breathing. I love that one. All right, now it's time for our call and response. I'm going to say, "Have a great day," and then you're going to say, "You too, Miss Mann." All right, have a great day. Thanks. Love you. Bye.